This is the print factory at Sarum Graphics, and we're proud to be the #1 choice for high quality printing and graphics design in Wiltshire and beyond. With over 40 years in the industry, our business has been at the forefront of stunning print and digital masterpieces for decades, helping businesses like yours reach out to new and existing customers with ease. Our dedicated design team can collaborate with you to create the eye-catching flyer, poster or brochure that you had in mind. Whatever publicity you may need for your business or event, we use the latest in design techniques, state-of-the-art equipment and the trained eye of our experts to bring your ideas to life. We're happy to supply the perfect answer to all your printing needs. We're happy to provide a full creative design service, as well as high-quality printing of your chosen product, whether it's 1 leaflet or 100,000. If it's speed, versatility and consistent high quality you're looking for, then look no further. From beautiful stationery, letter-headed paper, point-of-sale displays, brochures, flyers and leaflets, compliment slips, menus, promotional material, full magazine printing, even your wedding stationery, we're confident that we can exceed all your expectations. Why not speak to us today to discuss your requirements?